Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm back at Bexley North, which is now located on a T8 Airport and South Line. We have an M set passing the down main. M4 is the front four cars. Rear four cars is M25. Next up, Reesby, followed by Penania, East Hills, Holsworthy, Glenfield, Macquarie Fields, Ingleburn, Minto, Lumiere, Campbelltown and Macarthur. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to pass the up main adjacent to platform number 1, which is that track just over there. We have a Waratah bound for the city circle via airport, first stop being Walleye Creek. Water set is A18. Stopping at Walleye Creek, followed by International, Domestic, Mascot, Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. A18. And Waratah A43 now departing platform number 2 for a Reesby service. A43 will be stopping at Kingsgrove, then following by Beverly Hills, Nari, Riverwood, Padstow and Reesby. Waratah set is A43. I didn't film it live, and I wasn't too sure if it's 2 PM or not, and matter of fact it is. We have ourselves an S set arriving on platform number 1 for a city circle via airport service. This lovely asset will stop at Bardwell Park, followed by Torella, Walleye Creek, International, Domestic, Mascot, Green Square, Central, and a City Circle. S43 is the front four cars. So excuse the graffiti guys. Should I tell you rear four cars? I should be able to tell you rear four cars as soon as it departs. S43 and friend is now departing platform number 1, City Circle Fly Airport service. Rear four cars is S127. Featuring C3001, the first Ghanaian power car ever built. And we have a K set passing the down main adjacent to platform number 2. K60 is the front four cars. And the rear four cars is K77 bound for Campbelltown. Next stop being Reesby. That was a friendly tip by the driver. And we should have another city bound service passing the up main for a city circle via Walleye Creek service. Another K set, K94 front four cars. The rear four cars is K66. Next up Walleye Creek, then followed by International, Domestic, Mascot, Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. We should have a Millennium train arriving on platform number 2 for a Reesby service. Next up Kingsgrove, then all stations to Reesby. Front four cars is M29. I'll be able to tell you rear half when it departs. M29 and friend is now departing platform number 2, Reesby service. M29 and its friend will be stopping at Kingsgrove, then following by Beverly Hills, Nari, Riverwood, Padstow and Reesby. Front four cars once again is M29 and the rear four cars is M18, judging by the carriage numbers. Oh, 1 digit off, M19. We have an S set arriving on platform number 1, City Circle via Walleye Creek service. Next stop Bardwell Park. S61 is the front 4 cars, and the rear 4 cars is S56. He'll be stopping at Bardwell Park, followed by Tooele, Walleye Creek, all stations to Central, then Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. S61 and S56 is now departing platform number 1, City Circle via Walleye Creek service. Next stop Bardwell Park, followed by Tooele, Walleye Creek, International, Domestic, Mascot, Green Square, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. That was S56 and S61. And now yet another K set, passing the down main heading for Macarthur. Front 4 cars is K86. Rear 4 cars K68. Next stop Reesby, then following by Penania, East Hills, Holsworthy, Glenfield, Macquarie Fields, Ingleburn, Minto, Lumiere, Campbelltown and Macarthur. We should have another Waratah passing the up main at Bexley North for a City Circle via Walleye Creek service. Should tell you that in just a minute. A76 is a set, stopping at Walleye Creek, then International, Domestic, Mascot, Green Square, Central and the City Circle. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.